Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Crystal's Corner, my little corner of the country. Today I have a new box that not a new box, but a new box to my channel that I just got today. Saw it when I came home. Dia and Company. Tucker is excited. Dia and Company. What do you think, buddy? So I thought I would try this out because I used, I can't remember whose code, but somebody's code on here and got the $25 styling fee waived. So basically got this in the mail for free to give it a try, see what I think about their clothes, and I'm excited to open it up. So stay tuned and we'll see what Okay, so I'm popping back on here for just a second. I forgot to read my welcome letter to Dia and Company. It says, "Hi Crystal, welcome to the Dia and Company family. I'm Jenny and I'm thrilled to be starting this style journey with you. When you get the chance, tell me a little more about your lifestyle and interests to guide me even more to more pieces you'll love, so don't be shy. Let's kick things off with the Winchester skinny pants. They will pair nicely with the Amy T and knee-high boots for stylish workwear. Step into the weekend wearing the grand bootcut jeans with a capri top and wedge booties for grabbing dinner with friends. Toss on the Peyton duster for a stylish touch." Okay, so this explains how you're supposed to wear each piece. Don't forget to send us your feedback. We want to know what you like, what you don't, and what styles you're willing to try. And most importantly, we want you to have fun with this. XO Jenny. Make your next box even better at www.diacompany.com/ratings. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so I just opened up my box. This is what it looks like. Get a little card, a return shipping label, and then the clothes. I'm excited. And I don't know if these will fit me or not. I got the smallest possible that I could find on there. So we shall see. And you guys know I'm on my Weight Watchers weight loss journey, so I don't really know if this company will be a fit for me, but I thought I would at least try it out and see what it's about. But here's the return bag. Anything you don't keep. They've already got the postage paid, so that's not always nice. Now, this card says, "Look inside for your stylist tips and tricks, order invoice, and more." So she sent, okay, it's a list. Good, it doesn't have pictures. The total box, including everything in the entire box, if I kept it all, minus my, well, I didn't have to pay the styling fee, so, is $172.50. So, let's see what I got. I'm excited. I don't really do a whole lot of different, styling boxes. Really, the main one that I do is Nadine West, and I don't usually veer from that one, but I just thought I would try this out just to see what it's all about. And I may try some more new ones because, I mean, it's the first of the year. It's the time to do that. If you're going to try something new, try that. Try a new clothing subscription. All right. So anyway, with Dia and Company, like I said, you go online and there's a $25 styling fee, and then you fill out a questionnaire that asks you a lot about what you like to wear, what you don't like to wear. And I'm sorry again, Lord, my hair is a mess. It is pouring rain outside today, and I've been outside, went to have a thermogram done today. I'll probably make a video about that. I chose to do that instead of my yearly mammogram, and I am super excited and totally pumped. And I came home and have all my underwire bras on the floor. I'm gonna throw them away. So anyway, I think I'll do a video on that, so be on the lookout for that. Okay, so anyway, so it's a $25 styling fee, and then of course whatever you purchase in the box, that $25 will go towards that. And yeah, so we'll see. I have a feeling that the prices are probably higher than I'm used to paying because I always do Nadine West. So but I don't know, for the whole box it's $172, so we'll see. All right, first we have, this is a cute shirt, a sleeveless top, and Ryan Wild is the company that it's made by, and it's a 1X. So that's what I did. I just tried to get the smallest that they had, and that was the smallest. So very cute. What I'll do is I'll put the prices when I'm trying them on, I'll list the prices below so that you can see. But that's a cute little top, and it's very comfortable, very super soft. And I'd say it's kind of a burgundy with black on it. Very nice. Next, something black, which is always good. This looks like a long sleeved. Sorry about that. I had a reminder set on my phone. It just went off. This is a long, well, 3/4 length top by Mary Sky in a 1X. It's a tunic style, and it comes down. It's longer on the sides than it is in the middle. That's cute. I like shirts like that. And then 3/4 length sleeves. I like that too. I have a lot of black tunics though, so probably don't need another one, but let's see what else we've got. This is also by Mary Style, M-E-R-I, Mary Sky, S-K-Y-E. Did I say that the first time? Okay, cute. This is a tell me the word. 3/4 length sleeves with a little bell at the end. I like that. Cardigan. Yeah, cardigan. That's cute. Oh, I like it. So far, I'm liking. Oh, there's pants in here. Jean material. I love it. Oh, Lord, they might have caught me with these. Oh, these are pretty. Molly and Isadora. Oh, and also, let me tell you, I did not subscribe to this box or to this company. This was a one-time purchase. I decided to do it that way just to see if I liked it or not. Molly and Isadora. That's what this is. And this is in a size 12, which I usually wear a 10-12. Look at that color. Ooh, I love it. You guys know I like purple too. It's pretty purple. I like it, I like it, I like it. I have a feeling this is a keeper. And there's another pair of pants. Okay, and that's it. Thank God that's the end of the box, because otherwise I'd be in trouble. This is the whole brand. Everything in here is, well, I'll take that back. That one thing wasn't. There's another Mary Sky in a 12. And these are just jeans, which if I took y'all over there and showed you how many jeans I had, you would be like, why in the world are you even getting jeans? But I love jeans. I have an obsession with jeans. I have a little problem with jeans. Look at how cute. I love this distressed look. And these are a 12 as well, with kind of a bell bottom, which I love that. And here are the pockets on the back. They may have just got me with the 2 pair of pants. We shall see when I see the prices and when I see what they look like on. So I'll be right back. Hey, Tuck Tuck, I love you. I'm gonna try these on. I've been gone all day, so he's like, are you gonna pay attention to me or what? So I'll be right back. I'm gonna try these on, see what they look like, and I will list the prices with the try on. Okay guys, be back soon. Okay guys, I am back. I put on the purple jeans and the cardigan. The cardigan, I don't know. White is really not a color I wear very much, but it's pretty. I don't know. What do you guys think about it? I just don't wear this color very often. I probably would not pull for it out of my closet. I have a feeling that if it was in my closet, it would stay in the closet and not get worn. That's just me. Okay, and the jeans fit perfectly. Oh my gosh, I love them. Purple. And they're super soft. They're let's see. They're jeans, they're not jeggings because they have a zipper and everything. But yeah, they fit perfectly. Love these. What do you think about those, Tucker? You like them? Let me take this cardigan off. Yeah, the cardigan's probably a no. Just personally don't like cardigans. But these fit great. I mean, it's like they were made for me. Literally. They're skinny. Hold on. How can I do this? Skinny jeans. Ta-da! I know that's not the best way to do it. Hey, buddy. But yeah, they fit great, so they're probably gonna be a keeper. We shall see. Let me try on the rest of the stuff. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, this shirt, not something I would wear. Totally not my style. Kind of big. I know it's supposed to be like that, but it's just, plus it's winter, it's really cold outside, and I suppose this might be what they meant to do with it. Probably is. So let's put it back on just for the sake of it being weather relevant. I could totally wear this together, and I could see where that would be okay. But it's just, I don't know, it's just not my style. It's just really not. And I won't wear the cardigan, so yeah, the shirt's probably a no. It's really cute. And the jeans are cute too, but they're just basic jeans, and I kind of like some with holes. I know I'm getting older, but I do like the flare leg. That's cute. But they're just basic. While I like this distressing right here, they're just, they fit good. They fit really good. But I don't know, depends on the price. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with, I just kept those jeans on and put this black tunic on. Yeah. It's cute. I love how it, see how it goes down on the sides in a point. Tucker's like, what is happening? What's going on, baby? The school bus just went by, and the FedEx trucks. There's all kinds of things happening outside. I like this like shark bite thing at the bottom, but I have a lot of black tunics and I probably won't wear it. So my thoughts for this bag are, I'm gonna keep these purple pants because those are really cute. And who do they buy again? Let's see. So you guys let me know what you think. They were the Molly and Isadora. Cute. I think I have purple pants. I'll have to look, but I'm pretty sure my purple pants are light purple. I'll have to look and see, because I like to stay, well, I always like to stay on a budget, but I've just recently put my husband on a budget, and so I can't really buy a whole bunch of stuff, but if there's something in here that wows me, I'll buy it, which the purple pants do if I don't already have a pair. So you guys leave me comments below and let me know what you thought about the clothes and how they looked and fit, and what you think I should keep versus what I should not keep, because that will probably help me make my decision. That's why I do this, so I can get you guys' opinion. So, alright guys, that was my, sorry, Dia and Company. And again, I had left the prices for each thing across the screen as I was trying them on. And yeah, let me know what you think about it. I know I have an upcoming video or two. I have one on something I got off of Amazon, then I have one on Nadine West, and then I have my I Love Jewelry coming, so stay tuned, there's more videos to come. I noticed, okay, so I went on, and then I'm going to make a video about the thermogram too, because it's so interesting. I went on my YouTube account and realized that most of my viewers are non-subscribers. So if you are viewing my channel and you haven't subscribed, please, please, please hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and then hit the little bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video, because I'm pretty sure it says 66% of my viewers are non-subscribers. Now, that's cool, but yeah, subscribe. I would love to have you. And of those of you that keep coming back and hanging out with me and commenting, I love you guys so much. Y'all are like a second family to me, and I really love y'all, and it's so fun getting to know you on here. So I will be back at my next video, and until then, have a blessed rest of your week. It's the weekend. Woo-hoo. Have a great weekend. Love you guys. Bye.